Clark's Fork Angus Simmental is located near the town of Edgar in south central Montana. Family owned and operated by my brother Chris and his wife Kelly, along with their daughters Kylan and Corey Coombe. Our mission: building sensibly sized, functionable, profitable beef cows. Our goal: to help our customers better their program, whether to add pounds or breed better females. At Clark's Fork Angus and Simmental, our main mission is building sensibly sized, functionable, profitable beef cows. Someone once said, a good bull is a byproduct of a good cow. Come on over, take a look.